Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about file handling in C. So basically what is file and what are the functions of file handling in C language and what operations we can perform using file functions, like we can uh, open a file, we can read a file, write a file and close a file using fopen, fclose functions. So first of all, what is file? A file is a container in computer storage devices used for storing a data. जब भी हम लोग कोई प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं तो जो भी प्रोग्राम से रिलेटेड डेटा होता है वो किसी फाइल में जाके स्टोर होता है। तो उस स्टोर करने से उस डेटा को फ़ायदा ये होता है कि हम उस डेटा को वापस, जब भी हमको मनी टाइम्स अगर उस डेटा को यूज़ करना है तो हर बार पूरे डेटा को क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। हम लोग जो डेटा वाली फ़ाइल है उसको हम ओपन करके उस डेटा को यूज़ कर सकते हैं। अगर हम लोगों ने किसी डेटा को सेव नहीं किया है तो ये हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम वाली बात है कि जब भी हमको उस फाइल को यूज़ करना है तो हमको सारा डेटा फिर से क्रिएट करना है। तो फाइल की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है हमें? When a program is terminated, the entire data is lost. Storing in a file will preserve your data even if the program terminates. If you have to enter a large number of data, it will take a lot of time to enter them all. So अगर लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा है तो फिर से उस डेटा को क्रिएट करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, इसलिए हम डेटा को सेव करके रखते हैं ताकि हमारा टाइम बचे. Now, if you have a file containing all the data, you can easily access the contents of the file using a few commands in C language. You can easily move your data from one computer to another without any changes. So what are the types of files in C? When dealing with files, there are two types of files you should know about. The one is the text files and the other one is binary files. So text files are normal .txt files. The extension of text file is .txt, and you can easily create text files using any simple text editor such as Notepad. When you open those files, you will see the contents within the file as plain text. You can easily edit or delete the content. They take minimum effort to maintain and are easily readable and provide the least security and takes bigger storage space. Second one is binary files. Binary files are mostly the .bin files in your computer. Instead of storing data in plain text, they stored it in a binary form, means zeros and ones. They can hold a higher amount of data that are not readable easily and provides better security than text files. Now, what are the file operations that we can perform? In C, you can perform 4 major operations on file, either text or binary. First one is creating a new file. Second one is opening a new existing file. And third one is closing a file. And fourth one is reading from and writing information to a file. So when working with files, you need to declare a pointer of file type. The declaration is needed for communication between the file and the program. So this is a very important and necessary thing. Whenever you have to use a file, you need to declare a pointer of type file. The declaration is needed for the communication between the file and the program. So for declaration of file pointer, we will use the keyword file in uppercase and will declare a file pointer. For opening a file or for creation and edit, opening a file is performed using the fopen function defined in the studio.h header file. The syntax of opening a file in standard input output is pointer fopen file open mode. For example, we can see example over here to open files. Let's suppose the file newprogram.txt doesn't exist in the location The first function creates a new file named newprogram.txt and opens it for writing as per the mode. The writing mode allows you to create and edit the contents of the file. Now let's suppose the second binary file oldprogram.bin exists in the location, and the second function opens the existing file for reading in binary mode. The reading mode only allows you to read the file. You cannot write into the file. What are the opening modes in standard input output? First one is R. R is open for reading, and if the file does not exist, fopen returns null. Next is RB, open for reading in binary mode. If the file does not exist, fopen returns null. W is for open for writing, and if the file exists, its contents are overwritten, and if the file doesn't exist, it will be created. Similarly, WB is for binary mode. If the file exists, its contents are overwritten, and if the file does not exist, it will be created. A is for open for append, and the data is added to the end of the file, and if the file does not exist, it will be created. And AB is for binary mode. The data will be added to the end of the file, and if the file does not exist, it will be created. R plus is open for both reading and writing. If the file does not exist, fopen returns null. RB plus is for binary mode, and W plus is for reading and writing. If the file exists, its contents are overwritten, and if the file does not exist, it will be created. And WB plus is for binary mode. Similarly, A plus is for open for both reading and appending, and AB plus is for binary mode. So these are the operation that we can perform on files in C.